Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily leave a group on Facebook. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. You tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you tap on Groups. In the Group section, you tap on your groups at the top of the group section. Now it will show you the list of groups you have joined. Locate and find the group you want to leave and you tap on it. You can also search for the group name in the search bar above. Once in the group, you tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. It will open up a list of multiple options. Tap on Leave Group. Now you tap on Leave Group again to confirm you want to leave the group. Facebook will ask you why you left the group. You can select any options like spam or offensive conduct. So, this is how you can leave a group on Facebook. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.